So today we are going to learn about where water is found on Earth and what forms it is in. So we'll each have one of these worksheets to fill out, and we are going to watch 3 videos, and after we watch the videos, we are going to discuss what we have learned about where water is found, and we're going to fill out our worksheets. You can watch this video on YouTube. That was the first movie. Learn about planet Earth hydrosphere. And so what did we find out? Where can we find fresh water that is not frozen?
Drinking cups. In the ocean. No, not the ocean.
Not the ocean. What kind of water is in the ocean?
Salt.
Okay, so under salt water, you can write down ocean.
Frozen water is ice.
Frozen water is ice. Where can you find frozen water or ice?
Ocean.
No.
Antarctica.
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 Arctic. Yeah. And fresh water, not frozen. Have you ever been swimming anywhere that was fresh water, didn't have any salt in it?
Pool. Swimming pool.
That would be someplace you could put it. How about someplace natural?
Clouds?
You swim in the cloud.
No. Rain is not possible. It is
Honeysuckle?
honeysuckle.
Beach?
Beaches.
What kind of beaches are those? What's that place called?
Salt water.
That is not salt water.
Fresh water?
Fresh water. What do we call those things? That great big thing. We have lots of them around here.
Lakes.
Lakes! Yes! For our second video, we are going to watch NASA Show Me the Water. You can watch this video on YouTube. Where is fresh water located?
Atmosphere, wetlands, rivers.
Where is a lot of the water that we can't get to?
Underground.
Right, underground. So next, we are going to watch the water bodies from
Yes.
the Dr. Bionic Show.
Yes, Dr. Bionic Show. This one.
You can watch this video on YouTube. What did we learn from the Dr. Bionic Show about water?
Lakes usually happen when a comet comes and makes a giant hole in the surface, and then water comes and
Yep, that was one way that you can have a lake is from a
These
meteor.
are like Earth.
What is a sea?
It's a part of the ocean.
And so, what kind of water is in it?
Salt.
Oh, so you could put sea under salt water. You guys ever heard of any lakes that have salt? You know, like salt lakes?
No.
Have you ever heard of a salt lake?
Salt Lake City.
Did you know there's a lake near it that has salt? Because it has water that comes in and then it has to evaporate, but there's no way for the water to get out with the minerals, and after a while it gets saltier and saltier, and so some lakes have salt. What is a way that water can be kept frozen?
You put it in a freezer.
How about in nature?
You can put it in Antarctica.
What in Antarctica is holding all of the frozen water? Glaciers. Have you guys ever heard of the Titanic?
Yeah.
What did the Titanic hit?
An iceberg, and that's how it sinks.
And so that's another place that you could keep frozen water in an iceberg. Where do we keep it for just a little while frozen this time of year?
Outside.
What is it in? What's it called?
Snow.
Snow. And that's going to melt away, and then
Or
it's going to
your
become fresh water. And so a lot of the fresh water starts out as snow in the mountains, and then when it gets warm, the snow melts, and then it all pulls together into a river that goes down into a lake, and then it can even run into the ocean. That is how water can move around. And so where do we find water vapor?
Clouds.
Where do we find fresh water?
Lakes.
Lakes. Okay, where do we find salt water?
Ocean.
Where do we find frozen water?
Antarctica, iceberg, glaciers, snow.
Frozen water!
So good!
But hey, this is not fun.